What are you guys doing?
Getting my surprise.
You're waiting for your surprise? Where are your hands?
In my bottom.
On your bottoms?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a second. When Mama counts to 3, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. When I say 3, I want you to pick up your pillow. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Pick it up. What did you guys get? Do you guys got new jammies? What kind of jammies? They're special. Mama bought them for you. What kind of jammies are they? They're special Christmas jammies. Bug, where's your jammies? They're on the floor, Buggy. Pick them up.
Mommy, and we got tutu.
You got tutus with your jammies? Hey, Bug, what's on your jammies? Hold it up.
Mommy, can I put my jammies on?
Yeah. What's on it, buddy? What is it? A snowman? Do you like them?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Mine.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.